We just woke up. Akala ko mag-ano ka na, alis ka na.
Hindi. Kakauwi lang namin.
Si, Raiso, ipa-join mo na.
Gichatan ko siya.
Send Dragon, guys.
Wala man nag-join na yun. Ayun. Hi bro.
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
You have a nice stash.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Even your
Hell
cap, bro.
yeah. What?
Even your cap. Even your cap. It's nice. Looks nice.
Why don't you have a mustache?
Oh, because I just shaved maybe yesterday. So yeah.
Oh heck yeah! You want some nerds?
I don't want some nerds. I want some chocolate. Do you have any chocolate?
Dude, I can go to the store and get it for you.
Yeah, sure. And then deliver it in the Philippines, okay?
You're in the Philippines?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah. Me and
Dude,
my handsome friend here.
My auntie is Filipino.
So, are you half?
No, my auntie is. Like my uncle married her.
Oh, okay. To me, it's like I'm half Filipino, half Chinese.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, bro. I'm like Italian.
Yeah, you're like half Italian, half white, huh?
Yeah. What do you guys do?
Actually, my friend here, he plays
Dragon.
basketball. He's
dropped
very, he's very famous here in the Philippines.
No, I'm not.
I'm very famous in America.
Yeah?
No, I'm not.
Yo, bro, look at my friend. He has like million followers. Look at it. Check it out.
Let me see.
Mat, sila players spotted daw mo join.
1.3?
Yep.
1.3 is mid.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's like famous when you say
Well, I have a lot of friends that have millions of followers, but
oh
they're not famous. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like there's difference from fame and numbers. Like numbers are cool,
Yep,
but
yep.
like you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but here like Matt, when he goes to just like maybe a gasoline station or something,
Yeah.
it's like there's a lot of people.
Heck
gonna-
yeah. Oh, so like you're actually like well known though.
Yep.
Dude, that's sick, bro. And what do you do?
He plays basketball. You
Play
can
basketball.
you
You play
can
basketball?
Yep.
Yeah.
No way, bro. I should come to the Philippines and we can 1v1.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Visit here and then we got you, man. When you
Yeah, dude.
visit here.
I'll fly out there. 100%. What part of the Philippines do you guys live in? Like how? Like where?
Davao?
Kind.
Davao.
Huh?
Yeah. It's like in the south side of the Philippines.
Is it like a big city?
Yes, but not compared to like in Manila. Manila is still bigger.
Is that like the main city?
Yep.
Manila?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The capital city.
That's sick. Yeah, I'm from. Have you heard of Atlanta, Georgia? Atlanta?
Yep, of course.
That's where I'm
Trey
from.
Young. Trey Young.
Trey Young, that's my boy. Heck yeah.
But
So does he play pro basketball or what?
who, Matt? He still plays in college, high school.
High school.
Oh shoot. W. Nice guys. Can we get this W against Matt, bro? Can we get this W?
Yeah, W.
Let's get this W, bro. I'd do anything.
Mat, sila ano daw, Mat, sila, saan eh, sila, sa player spotted, ug si coach.
Dapat mag-live siya una. Live siya bago siya mag-join. What do you do, bro?
Me?
Yeah, you make music?
Yeah, I make music.
Nice.
Give us a sample. Jake.
You want to hear some?
Yep.
I'll play you one. I'll play you one.
Hi guys, say hi to my dog, guys. Leo, Unidas.
Ooh, is that your dog?
Yep.
Hey,
His name is Leonidas.
dude, I want a dog so bad. I want a dog so bad.
Sample first. Sample.
You don't gotta push me away, I'll leave you alone. I ain't never
That's you?
been the type to fight where I don't belong.
That's you?
And I know
Yeah.
what it's
Hell no.
like, yeah, I know you're
What?
Hell no.
Yeah, it is. I swear.
past and I know we're not the same. And don't get me wrong, baby, I don't like to lose. But if he's on your mind, then
Nice,
I
bro.
won't make you choose.
Yeah, I know.
Tried like
Yeah, you have a nice voice.
I do the best I can.
Yeah, it's me, bro. Chris! What's up, Chris? How are you? Chris with the heart me, thank you so much, bro. You guys like it or what?
Yep.
Yeah, it's really good, bro.
Perfect.
Sounds nice.
It's in my bio. It's in my bio.
Okay. Actually,
Check it out later.
I really don't know how to use TikTok. It's like my first
Wait.
time. It's because of them.
Wait, I'll follow you guys.
I'll follow you too, okay?
Okay. I'm not gonna follow Mr. Famous. He's not gonna follow me back. So.
I will.
Okay.
Mr. Famous.
Well, welcome in. What do you do? What's your name, Coach? Are you yours, Coach?
Yep.
Oh, sick!
I look young, huh? I look young.
Heck yeah. How old are you? Like 22?
No?
25.
31.
Are you on Spotify? Yes, I am on Spotify.
How about
I'll
you?
show you. Guess how old do you think I am?
I think 26.
I 28. That's close. Can you guys see?
Jake Franco.
Jake Franco. That's me. Peep it.
Ipet. Say it. Ipet.
What does that say?
Ipet.
What is it? What does it mean?
IPE. That's my name.
Oh.
That's my nickname. That's my nickname.
Oh, got you. Well, nice
Because-
to meet you guys.
Because my real name is Philip. It's Philip.
Philip? Okay, nice. Yeah, my name's Jake. So it was nice to meet you guys. Have a good night, bro.
Yeah, you too.
Good night, bro.
Bye-bye.
Y'all take it
Peace
easy.
out.
See ya.
Matt, invite mo daw si Coach Lance.
Sige,
Parang
sige.
nag-live na daw sila.
I-leave mo na. Ayun.
Sige.
Hindi, okay na, Coach. Huwag ka na mag-leave.
Ay.
Yun, live na siya. CL!
Lance, English mo, Lance. Hindi ka okay, Lance.
Kapuya, to, Coach. Ilang mo ko sa hukay.
Mura makagdi ka ba mo English, Matt?
Kapuya kay Coach.
Very spotted. Join the
Player spotted daw, player spotted.
Sige, sabihan mo siya, Coach. Mag-live muna siya kay hindi siya ma-invite kung hindi siya live.
Just woke up.
Wala kang
Bay, sayo kayo ni Sugod akong adlaw ron. Awards kayo. Las 4.
Mo gani shock dili ko pag sa silip na ko Lance ba nag-live naman ni Matt. Join tabi.
Paulay gamay, alauna ang klase, 1:45.
Boy, ano gusto mo, boy?
nag-practice kayo, Matt.
Coach,
Okay. Nag-practice kayo.
kumana 5 AM.
Parangal ba ya karon?
Gani.
Wala ganun sila.
Dili ko
Adto mo, coach, adto mo.
Dili ko makaadto man. Padulong kog digos. After nun.
Gano'n sleep ako ron. Nagturo ko mata.
Nagunsa ka Digos, coach?
Ano mat?
Nagunsa ka Digos, coach?
Nara ko tanawon.
Okay.
Sa kong may. Malingaw na yun si Coach Ipe ng live.
Ganyan, no?
Dan, pag
Oh, ice cream namin.
Gayo. Guys, follow niyo si Coach Ipe. 1,400 followers na siya. oh.
Grabe ganun.
NPC Coach Ipe. NPC Ipe.
Easy.
NPC Coach Ipe.
Ask me good.
Coach Elo, 20.
Grabe Coach L ba eh?
Coach, how di mo, Coach eh.
Coach L ba eh? Dagan kay followers?
Sakay-sakay lang tayo sa kanila.
Mat, judo. Cheat ba? Cheat.
Dili pa, magana lang ka ba? Mag-ice
Coach,
cream namin lang.
sabi mga tita ba na ayaw daw nila na ayaw nila mag-gift kasi laki daw kaltas ng TikTok. So, i-drop mo na lang ang BPI number mo sa comments.
Kasyong.
Lagi.
Pag sure eh. Unsaan man na?
I-drop mo sa comments, Coach. Comment mo lang.
Okay rin na, Lance?
Butang!
Paano, Mat? Hindi mo
Diba
marunong,
dyan
Mat.
yung sa bottom right, Coach, yung tatlong...
Ipin
Oo.
sa Ipe.
Tapos, tira mo yung sa baba ng live gifts.
Ay, live.
Mat, kailan game niya, Mat? 18? 18
Yan.
yan?
Flip camera man yan.
Ha?
Flip camera.
Walang comment, Coach. Comment.
Ay, meron.
Yan, comment. Tapos i-type mo number. oh.
Mat, kailan game niyo yung may live?
Wala pa, Coach. Tune up lang yun sa 18.
Gani, tune up gani. So, wala yun siyang
Tune up
live.
lang. Wala pa. Wala pang ano.
Yung Pilipinas Liga rin? Yung, di ba may,
Yung-
may tournament?
Yung RP League.
Oo.
Wala pa
Yeah,
yun.
may
Wala
live
pang
yun, oh.
schedule, Coach.
Okay. May live.
And then, Mat, automatic na yan.
Oh, mag-send lang yun bigla. Matingala ka lang. Meron na yan magano sa pasok sa...
Madre na yung wallet ko.
Librein ko si Coach L later.
Guys, send nga kay Coach, kay Coach Ipe. Kaya di siya maniwala sa akin.
Hindi ako maniwala ng mga ano.
Mag-drain na yung mga wallet.
Ha?
Kunin nyo na yung pera niya, guys. Dalian nyo, guys.
Mag-drain na yan. Nasa na Raisos, Matt?
Sa baba sila, Coach eh.
Nasa what? Si Lloyd ba? Nag-live si Lloyd oh.
Gani,
Invite mo.
nag-match sila ni Pudong. Di pa ma-invite.
Ay,
Try ko
okay.
ma-invite. Yan, guys. So,
Invite talaga na, Lance. Lance, invite ka na.
9429.
Shero.
166095.
Naibungot-bungot yung kasturya ganyan.
Uy, unsa dito siya ba? Sikat-sikat. Kanang naa siya unsa Spotify.
Singer ito si.
Si Jake. Unsa name mo to? Jake something?
Jake Franco.
Jake Franco. Ba yung saan pagpin?
Wala, dili mapin, Coach. Kay tulot ah. Tulot ang
Ay,
book
okay.
mag-live. Ingna yung viewers, Coach, na i-bump lang. Kanang unsa ba? I-resend.
Kung saan makita ng viewers, Matt? Kining 500 plus? Mo ng viewers.
Karang sa top right.
Imo ha, Matt? Pila imo ha?
10K kay Mato eh.
9.9k.
Imo ha, Lance?
300.
Dagan po to eh.
Tingnan sila Lloyd, magundang eh, para mabalin sa kailangan.
Gaya, ingnan ako. Tawagan ako.
Mag-exit na ako, drive lang, mag-try ako join ulit mamaya. Guys, join kayo kay Coach Ipe na live, huwag kay Matt. Kay Coach Ipe kayo mag-join. Kay need ni Coach Ipe ng followers.
Bro, end live
Ikaw,
kay
please,
end
please.
match kay invite ko kayo dito. Dito si Coach L and si Coach Ipe.
Sige daw. Wait ko sila. Wait.
Lima tayo.
Bawal pala, 5?
Bawal, 4 lang.
Bawal day, no?
Pwede ba ito?
Try lang bro.
Sige.
Naman lagi uban na kanang murag lampas o upat, di ba?
Unsa to coach kanang unsa? Isa lang ang host o niya, guest lang uban kani kay co-host magud ta.
Ah, okay.
Mag-join lang si Lloyd, tapos mo exit naman ko. Kaya gana lang ako si Lloyd.
Englishero na pud biya si Lloyd
Okay.
Pat, no?
Oh. Pero
Grabe
dili coach
ba?
Tagalog mo daw yung kauban dito og Bisaya?
Di ba, ang iyang mga ang iyang mga...
Ayo yung mga post-post.
Voice over, mga nag-voice over.
Oh, voice over niya.
Season kay Lloyd, ay. Asa to si Lloyd?
Kaya maka-join sa buwang eh.
Mo exit lang ko lang yun para maka-join si Pudong sa inyo.
Out na ko mga 11. Nasa ko yung mo.
Pe, nakay
Okay.
10 minutes magbabuang-buang pe para nakay clip. Ma-clip ka sa clip farm.
Delete ah. Ay, later na ito magpabuang-buang.
Para ma-clip ka sa clip farm ba? Ice cream yummy.
Lance, ang sarata gabiin na ito magpabuang-buang.
Habang go-practice ba niya, seryoso kaya si Coach Jason niya, ga-live mo do ah.
Sure kasama.
Ay,
Sure kasama.
GG tayo na Coach Jess.
Mga Coach M tayo na. Sige na makag-vlog.
Yawa.
Wala si Lloyd?
Uloy, di mo join na eh.
Okay, exit na lang ko. Bye MJC. Bye
Hey,
bye.
Coach, ingat Coach, ingat Coach.
Guys, viewers ko kay Coach Ipe kayo mag-join para ma-happy si Coach Ipe.
Dali no guys.
300 viewers din yan. Bye-bye.
Bye Coach, ingat.
Invite pa, Matt.
Pag shoutout po ni Ipe ang Mat Nation, sasaway si Coach Lance ng ice cream, sasayaw si Coach Lance ng ice cream yummy.
Sayang, wala na si Coach Lance.
Sumuka ni Lo, nag-live man ni sila, nag-match man ni sila. Ay wait, tingnan ako nakita nando kay para mag-join siya. Bro, si Coach Ipe na lang naiwan.
Oh, sige.
Tara, dali ah.
Lian na, join na mo.
Guys, hit natin tong goal natin guys. 55 galaxies.
Pucha. Uy, Dong. Dugi na ito wala nagkita, Dong ba? Na-misty ka ba?
Coach, muli, magugdabaw, Coach.
Dili ba si ano ba yan ban ba po, Dong? Dugi
Wala,
na.
wala kagapon, Coach.
Wala. Gikan ba Amela?
Ay, oh, tama.
Makikita na ako, Coach.
No, Coach.
By Lloyd bay. English ba? Proud
Wala
boys mo, Lloyd.
may practice gapon, Coach.
Na sila Coach Ayon sila Coach Ayon.
Coach, unya.
Oh, nako niya.
Karon, Coach, wala na po practice kay parangal.
Dili yun sa first game na mo niya.
Ah, unsa na liga, Coach?
Dili kanang kanang naamig invite. St. Patrick's
What
kalaban niya.
time?
6
6.
PM.
Hantod 6 gudtong parangal, Coach.
Oh ba?
Oh, 6:30.
Mat, i-accept ang match, pwede ka makulatahan.
Ambot aning Coach Jess basta ang ingon namo 6 ang game.
Uy, Mat.
Okay.
Mat, bo.
Yun sa follow ta mo, Dong.
Ano di ka, Coach?
Follow po ka.
Guys, i-follow niyo si Coach P, guys. Please. Ano, chip.
Bro, di ba makapin ng comment kung more than 2 kayo nag-live?
Hindi.
Guys, bump niyo yan
Explore daw
number,
kami.
guys. Oh, bump niyo yan.
Bump, guys, bump. Bump.
Kaka-basketball mo yan.
1, 2, 3, bump. 1, 2.
Huwag kayo makinig dyan sa kupal na luwagi.
1, 2, 3, bump. 1, 2, 3,
Bro,
bump.
gahi, Jerry, bro.
Ha?
Gahi, Jerry.
Kulata mo, eh.
Tuya, itong big man ninyo, bro, eh.
Ha?
Tuya kayo Uy, thank you sa Galaxy! Ate Jenna Garcia.
Jenna Garcia, thank you
Thank you,
po.
Jenna Garab pala. Thank you, Jenna Garab. Ate Jenna Tita Jenna Garab. I love you. Thank you po.
Ate Jenna,
Char.
thank you po.
Love you, Jude.
Thank you po, Ate Jenna.
Whale na naman, whale na naman. Whale na naman.
Unsay ano, highest Jude na kanang ano, hatag-hatag diri. Whale?
Universe.
Dragon.
Universe.
Dragon.
Universe Day.
Dragon sure sa dragon. Uy. Daggan
Dili,
ako.
lahi man tong dragon head coach na may dragon na kanang full.
Ah, kanang full Jude.
Universe, pre.
27,000 points.
Universe. Sige.
Pilang universe?
40,000.
49.
40? Ah. Grabe.
Nag-ibay makadawat na coach. Mamakita
Mga taga, ano to country ko, Choy.
Thank you sa Galaxy, Ate Ellie. Thank you po.
Ellie,
Bait mo
thank you
po.
sa
Mahal po
Galaxy.
kita. Thank you.
Ito rin po.
Wag na ito. Wag kayo
Galaxy.
dyan. Kay madami na yun silang ano guys, gifters dyan. Wag na kayo dyan. Wag dami na silang pera si Aaron. Si Aaron.
Yes.
Ay, thank you sa Matchmaster.
Ako rin. Woo! Gabi
Guys, ako ang gi ano lang jud diri ba, gi dahom diri sa TikTok no katong Dragon Head. Malingaw jud yung Dragon Head.
Guys, hindi Dragonhead si Coach Ipe, guys.
Thank you sa guys.
Ate Yani Paran, ang bait mo po. Thank you po.
Check.
Dito ka.
Thank you, Yani.
Gaya,
Ito na kayo ba?
Kasi alam guys, mayaman na yun. Si Matt kasi yun. So, mayroon iba yung cellphone, laptop.
makinig dyan sa
O, di ba guys?
Dalawa kami. Oh, thank you, Ate Ellie. Thank you so much for the night star.
Kita kalo si Coach Ipe, bye. Sheesh.
Unsa?
Kalo. Hot in
Wala lagi.
oy, wala kita.
Thank you sa pag-send ng kalo.
Pagulo, aling coach na mo eh.
Oh, thank you sa Galaxy! Yani! Oh, yeah!
Yan eh, thank you. Dito ka na lang.
Ano yan si Matt guys. Wala yan siya paki guys. Uy, thank
Uy, thank you. Anong kalo na naman?
Matchmaster. Oh, wala. Thank you, Nos.
Uy, asa maunsakitan kung ano kinsay nag-send. Kanang dili na ko magets ba?
Sa kuan. Middle left.
Middle left. Ah, okay, kani ka. So, kana.
Pindot na, coach.
Ah, tura oh. Kay.
Ate Jenna, ako rin. Wow!
Thank you sa Galaxy, Ate Yani.
Thank you, Ate Eli. So, bang bang. Thank you, the friends of
For the Galaxy.
Thank
Thank you for the... Oh,
you, Shia sa Rose.
TikTok Universe to Sweetie Pie. Lolo, panaduwa to nun eh.
Thank you sa comment ng Lion. Yan yan si Matt guys. Wala niya siya paki guys. Alam niyo yan guys.
Guys,
Kaya ako guys.
Yan guys oh.
ayan, live kami guys.
ano ka man eh.
Yes.
Nakatanggap lang ng Galaxy, higaan na siya.
Yan yan. Si guys eh. Wala siya paki guys.
Hindi kaya.
Uy, Dragon Bay.
Dragon.
Isa nag-send na to. Wait lang.
Kita, uy! Chipik nga ni.
Uy, sa Dragon jud eh. Kana jud akong ano ba? Ganahan, Dragon.
Hey.
Kung ganahan jud kiko jud akong ganahan guys. Whale.
Uy,
This is Dragon eh.
Dragon Freak ka nang ganahan or ba? Gusto ko ka-try
Thank you so much.
Gusto ko ka-try
Sige daw. Dragon daw.
Try na po.
Guys, ano, sendan nyo si, ano, Aaron Bayan ba ng Dragon?
Do. Wala tayo kalayo ba eh? Thank you.
Kalayo ba? Marami ang mag-dragon.
Pag na yun si Matt guys.
Oy, thank you guys. Thank you sa bear. Ano yan?
Thank you, Colleen. Ate Colleen.
Sige.
Guys, pingi
Okay, guys. Una ko, guys. Nasa ko yung
Bye, coach.
Kita
Bye, guys.
Coach, I love you, coach.
Ingat.
Bye, coach.
Ingat mo, ha. Ay mo bunjing ha.
Matik yan.
Isan
Bye,
ka rin,
bye.
coach. Bye, coach. I love you, coach.
Uy, stop na kayo. Send Dragon kay Pudong. Sa akin na naman.
Thank you, Yani.
Thank you naman. Come here, guys.
Come to Papa.
Come to Papa.
Hey, come super. Come to Papa, guys.
Oy, wala na akong sounds. Marinig ako? Wala na akong sounds sa live ko. Nanawag mo.
Masing katawag sila ni Kwan guys eh.
Bago nyo rin.
Joke! Uy guys, na-freeze na tayo. Oh, freeze guys.
May, meron wala. Mag-end live ko ron.
Naay.
Hindi ko sa heart.
Okay.
Oh, meron naman pala eh.
Ngayon guys, walang pakiyan si Matt guys.
Gifting point target
Huwag
4,500.
ka nga, ano dyan? Ano ka man, oy? Kupal ka man, eh.
Nakuha po doy. Nakuha sa 4-5 guys eh, pero kaya nyo yan guys, 4-5 guys. Uy, thank you sa kuan, clown. Ay, clown, sana? Katrina.
Hey vlog, welcome to my guys. Today.
Kaya ba 4-5 guys? Kaya yan guys,
Hey,
kaya yan.
vlog, welcome to my guys.
Ayan guys, 4-5 guys.
Matt.
Oh.
Hey vlog, welcome to my guys. Thank you so much guys.
What is the point of that?
Hindi ba hand hot chat?
Ever heard of vlogging, ha? Ikaw, bay, mag-post ra ka sa Facebook. Bay, mag-post ra ka sa Facebook, bay. 1 million reacts din, bay. Kami kay maghago sa aming vlog, ha?
Gani, tama. Ano dyan?
No, bro, you can vlog with your freaking phone. What do you mean?
Yes.
Hindi, mag-vlog ka ng phone mo.
Oh, marami ka mang phone.
Hindi.
Oh.
Sorry, mapuno, maganda yung storage namin sa cellphone, good. Kay...
Oh.
Bro, alam mo yung word na delete? Baka di mo alam.
Hindi bro, kung i-delete ko yung mga memories ba na, good. Ikaw, good.
Tama.
1 million GB, may mga bro. Sige lang. Ish. I just keep myself.
Zone.
150 bucks. Come to Papa.
Come si Papa, Mat. Gusto wala talang pakisimat, guys. Yes, oh.
Hey guys, bigyan na natin ng mga universe na.
Hindi, wala na kasi, wala namang nag-send kasi sa akin. So,
Thank you, Nos. Sa Hanort. O, di ba, no?
Ay, mas dito na kayo guys. Away lang mga points, 6K, 5K,
Wala siyang reaction.
Di mag-send ng whale ba yun? Walang mag-send
Send mo sila ng kuwan sa'yo ng... Uy, thank you, Naira, sa Galaxy.
Oh, there you are, Naira. Come to Papa.
Naira! Welcome to my live again.
Come
Bro, bago lang ito siya nakabalik sa live ko, bro.
Hey, baka na, Naira.
Si Matt, binigyan ng Galaxy ni Nos. Ano guys? Walang reaction. Ay, may Galaxy, oh.
Aaron, connection, Matt, kahit ano for 3, honorable. Thank you. Sabi na, magbalik.
Uy, thank you sa whale at Naira!
Uy, Ate Naira, hello. Thank you.
Ate Naira, hi Ate Naira.
Hey, Ate Naira, thank you for the whale.
Ano yung whale?
Picky is a thief.
Oy, thank you sa Galaxy, Ate Colleen. Yan, nabuli natin yun sila. Nice.
0 out of 3 pa yung whale ko ba? Wala talagang nag-send.
Talon natin si Matt, guys.
Let's go. Thank you, Ate Colleen.
Guys, talon natin si Matt, guys. Let's go, guys.
Please lang guys.
Guys, talon natin si Matt, guys. Ako lang siya paki, guys. Oh, guys, focus ako sa inyo, guys. Basta akong comments, guys. Oh, wala ka sound live mo, Aaron. Okay lang yan, guys. Si Elijah, wala si Elijah today, guys. Aaron, great happy birthday po, Matt.
Thank you po sa Han.
Guys, talon natin si Bimbi. Oh, talon natin si Bimbi, guys.
Thank you, TPN.
Thank you po, Naira, sa manifesting. Oh, manifesting na mo daw ito, guys. Oh, yeah.
Ay, pinili ka.
Thank you sa Kuala. Uy! Gago! Nag-send sa akin ng Galaxy si Kuala Lover!
Guys, si Kuala Lover, guys. Nag-send siya, guys. Uy, guys.
Uy! Kuala Lover, dalawang Galaxy! Uy, Kuala Lover!
Kuala Lover, like, come to Papa.
Hey, Kuala Lover.
Thank you, I love you, Kuala Lover!
Let's go.
Panalo na naman ako, di tayo makapanalo sa akin. Lab ako ni Kuala Lover eh. Ang kupal nyo, mga Aaron. Laki ng tenga nyo.
Ay, singkit ka.
Headlight na ako, guys. Alis ako.
Okay,
guys.
Asa ka, bro?
Magkain ako sa school.
Elijah, Elijah.
Uy! Will!
Thank you sa Galaxy.
Will! Ay! Future City ni Ate Era Sancour.
Thank you.
Grabe ka, Ate Era Sancour.
Sila guys, bye-bye guys.
Grabe ka, Ate Ella Sancour.
Dali,
Thank you
dali,
sa
dali,
Galaxy
dali, dali.
Mommy Cock.
Mag-live to Jalija. Ako si Elijah.
Join.
Join Jalija. Datuwa na ni mo dyan, nagsinsin, mga galaxy
Gawin
dyan.
no. Oo, eh. Instead, nag-galaxy yung buwang.
Sa una, magsugi ka mga galaxy. Karoon,
Gawin
nagsinsin
no.
ka.
Karoon, ikaw naman mo send.
So, okay, talunin natin si Bimbi, guys. Wala yung page ni Bimbi, guys. Putik naman talaga yan, no?
Nag-live si Elijah, guys.
Wala, nag-live, bro. Nakasend nga siya sa'yo, bro, eh.
Kaya naman yun. Sign na. Oy, thank you, Jo, sa hot.
Meron tayong times
Thank you,
2,
Tita
times
Jo.
2, times 2, guys,
Mwah.
times 2. Talunin natin si Bimbi. Copy, let's go. Copy. Oh,
Huwag
yeah.
ka na nga. Sige, Bimbi dyan. Ano ka man eh.
Kaba, bro.
Makita nga to ni Bimbi, tapos makasabi siya na halan.
Uy, thank you,
Kawawa si Matt, kinasabihan siya na Bimbi siya. Layo naman ng mukha namin.
Mukha lagi kayo, lagi. Oh, tingnan mo
Hindi
mukha
nga.
mo.
Hindi nga.
Mukha lagi. Outside view, guys. So, there, guys. I-record nyo, good, guys. Tapos i-edit nyo, guys, yung parang transition, guys, ba?
Galing mo
guys,
talaga.
Harap ka sa camera, bro.
Galing mo talaga.
Oh.
Nasa festival mall kayo kapon. Oo.
Kailan naka-discover niyan, guys, oh. Okay. So, tagal naman
Thank you sa Galaxy, Ate
Hi,
Esan.
Gravity of
Napakabait
Wauco.
mo po.
Welcome to my
Thank you po.
life.
Thank you sa Corgi, Tita Jo. Thank you po.
Let's
Kabait
go,
mo
guys.
din po. Mwah.
Let's go, guys. Talunan na si
Mwah.
Matt.
Dahil dyan, may isa kayong kiss. Mwah.
Let's go, guys. We need to win, guys.
I'm falling.
Sige na kay win streak, guys.
for
Guys.
you.
32 win streak, guys. Talunan natin yan, guys.
32 win streak pala ko.
Yes, talunin natin yan, guys. Thank you, Nos. Guys, yun yung goal, guys.
Think
Talunin natin
I'm
yung
falling.
32 win streak. Thank you, Ate Nos.
for you.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you sa nag-send ng 500 sa akin.
Guys, 200 points, guys. We need 200 points.
Whoever sent the
Thank you,
500 sa
Titanos.
BPI, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nos.
Think I'm falling for you.
Wala, di may klase ron, Matt. Uy, thank you po sa beer. You're
145 po
amazing.
eh.
145?
Mura kong college dong, duha ra akong subject. Pero pre-cal po lagi.
Sila, Matt. Dali. Ay, sila, Maki. Dali, ang pre-cal good.
Lagi, pero
Wala,
behind
pila
mo.
ka daw. 94 ang pre-cal sa una, pre.
Wala pa ko yung pre-cal. Wala pa man. Unsa si Maki, M-Tech.
Gamay ako, 94 ko kay gamay akong exam, 25 over 40. Pero kung dako to kay mga 97, 98 goals.
Kasi lesson ng mga graph.
Thank you, Nos. Oh. We thank you sa Galaxy! MQ Chemistry! We thank you, Patinera, so much more! Ganyan yung mga reactions, guys. Times 2, guys. Times 2. Itong mga reaction, bro. Itong mga fan, bro. Parabola. Hyperbola. Tama ba, bro?
Ano bro? Hindi ko narinig.
Itong mga parabola, hyperbola.
Oh.
Thank you po,
mga
BT, sa level ship.
Yung square na function.
Level ship. Anong hat? Anong
Hirap
square?
eh. Malagot ako.
Yung parang semicircle, yung pag ganun. Ano mo tawag na nakalimot ko? Sa yun. Mas may mahirap dyan, bro. Yung ano, bro.
May calculus ka na ba sa civil engineering mo?
Gano'n, no naman, ikon. ITEA. Naka-ITEA naman dyan sa ano.
Sa first class. First day.
20. Monday.
Hapit na ba eh. Hapit na ka ma-college life. Pataya eh.
Let's go, guys. Guys, support nyo ako, guys, sa college life ko, guys. Kailangan ko ng karamay, guys. Para di ako ma-stress, guys. We thank you po, thank you sa tayo. Whale dive. Guys, talunan na si Matt, guys. Talunan na si Matt, guys. Kailangan talaga, guys. Promise talaga siya,
Ano
guys.
kaya makakatalo sa akin, boy?
Meron, bro. Ako, bro. First time to, guys. Talunan natin si Matt, guys.
Ang whale na nag-send, guys. Is
No, guys. No.
Dalawa na lang, guys.
No. Let's go, guys. Wala ang mas-snipe to, guys. Dito mas-snipe, guys.
Thank you sa Galaxy, Mama Benz. Thank you po, Mama Benz. I love you po.
Mama Benz, matagal na natin si Matt, Mama Benz.
Thank you po, guys.
Uy, thank you sa Koala Lover.
Guys, huwag niyong panalo si Aaron, guys. Nag-gift, guys.
Guys, 32 win streak yan, guys. So, pag naputol yan niya siya, guys. So nice. Sirain ang 32 win streak. Let's go! Thank you sa hat. Kapala. Now I know the difference between cap and hat. Ngayon ko lang nagalaman, guys. Dahil sa TikTok.
Think I'm falling.
Uy, tingin sa turutot.
Tingin sa side by side, JC Bell.
Uy, tingin sa
Talo
flying
tayo,
jet.
guys.
Si Naira.
Talo tayo, guys. Uy, Galaxy, thank you, Ate Cam sa Galaxy. Thank you, Ate Cam. Thank you sa side by side, Angela. Guys, talo tayo, guys.
Thank you, Mama Burns. Thank you po sa Lucy. Thank
Talo
you,
tayo.
Naira, sa flying jet.
Think I'm falling.
Guys, panalo tayo, guys. It's the first time. For the first time and forever. Magic
Talo tayo,
love. For the first time and forever. Oh, thank you po sa mystery fireworks. No.
Crazy, right?
For the first time in forever. Yo, Anna. Okay, boy. Thank you for Guys, ano yung mga kanta ng mga kan, guys? Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, turn away, slam that door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the story join. Could never bother me anyway. Ting. Honey, as I sound distant, since everything seems more. Huwag kayong guys, ma-shock guys sa mag-snow guys. Cause everything's control me. Get back to me,
Doom.
Natahimik si Bimbi guys. Wala siyang kaya sa akin ng mga talents guys.
Ano mo sabi dun? Thank you sa Galaxy, Ate Cams. Thank you so much po.
Guys, alam mo hindi tayo para guys. Ano mga kanta ng mga kwan bro? Mga Moana bro. Ano
I
mga
am
Moana, bro?
Moana. Yun bro.
Wala. Di siya kamalo guys. Ikaw si Moana bro. Sige bro. Ikaw si...
Hindi ako marunong.
Saan mo bigay? Huh? Oh way. Thank you po sa hand heart. Guys, ano mga kanta guys? Ikaw nyo guys. Oops. Oops. Anong playlist ko? Maui daw si Matt.
Yung Maui rin.
Yung ano ba, partner ni Moana ba? Yung malaking tao.
Ganun, no? Alam.
The Rock ba? How far I go. Ano guys, mga lyrics guys. Kanta nyo yung lyrics ng mga Disney guys. Don't fear the first, I juggle now. Buti yung sa Galaxy! I'm trying to know where you're going now. So fear the first, I'm coming back now. Mulan. Ay, hindi ako magalang ng Mulan guys. Sorry guys. The Whole New World. Aladdin. Sige na. The Whole New World yan guys. The Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean. Ano yung Paw Patrol guys? Paw Patrol, we'll be there on the trouble. Paw Patrol. Alam mo yun bro, Paw Patrol bro.
Alam ko yun, bro.
Oh, CBD ka talaga bro. CBD kasi kami guys. Yan yung ginawatch ng baby cousin ko kasi guys. Paw Patrol. Yan, alam ko yan guys. Alam ko yan. Bro,
Thank you sa
manasend tayo
Galaxy,
bro.
Jenna Garaba,
Bro.
Jenna Garab, Tita Jenna Garab, thank you so much.
Ate, ay, guys, we need to win, guys. We need to win. 1738. Barney Honorable. Oh. Guys, let's go, guys. Mickey Mouse.
It's a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come on down and find outside.
Araw mo doon.
Kanta ganit ko, i-request kasi lang song ganit no. Thank you sa gifts, guys. Slam dunk. Kasi yung slam dunk ka niya. Itong sige, nakanta sa slam dunk na yun. Limot mo ko eh.
Ina, last match, kaya mag-end ako, matulog ako.
Ako ba?
Guys, off day kami bukas, walang practice bukas, off day.
Because it's really doing this not only I cannot three times crazy for you. Three times.
Guys, one more,
Ooh, frog.
ano ba eh? One more way. One last whale, guys, one last whale. One last whale. Bye.
Whale, oh whale, oh the K whale, the K whale,
Gulod.
Get what you don't got, struggle it, don't get what you don't got. Get what you don't got, struggle it, don't stop until we drop crazy bomb and ice. So much time wasted, playing games with love. So many times I
you do that. Ito guys, okay na guys. May tawag kasi may ni Boss Dan guys. Oh, thank you for the Galaxy Morley. Oh yeah. Guys, we need 20% to send gifts guys. Oh, 2015. Well, 5 more tao guys. Send gifts guys. 5 more tao. Oh, thank you guys for the gifts. Atasha Curry, thank you for the gifts. Ano ba mga kanta ng mga ano guys? Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's do the night together. Now until forever. Boom, 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 boom. I want to double. Oh, thank you, MG. MG Chemist. For the gift. 2 times, guys. 2 times, 2 times. 2 times. Thank you for the help. Summer elaborate. Shall never end. Summer now. Now. Never know.
Dautag niyo, bro. Ang sarap.
Dora, 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 the explorer. Dora, 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 Dora. Hi, my name is Matty. My name is Nick.
Naman din yung assignment sa pre-call ba eh?
My name is Orlo. Oh, thank you for that. Oh, you're amazing. Oh. Guys, patalo na tayo, guys. Bro, sendan ka na Tintin ng ano, bro. Wala ka talagang paki, bro. Guys, talo na si Matt. Guys, wala siyang paki, bro.
Sorry, thank you, Ate Tintin. Ano yun, Gisandya, bro?
4.3k gifts yun, bro. Wala kang paki, bro. Ako, guys, sinanyo ko ng 5k.
Ano yun, na-gift? Ano yun, na-gift? Thank you, Ate Tintin.
Thank you so much, ako, guys.
Mahal po kita.
Guys, sendan niyo ako, guys. Please. Talo na si Matt, please. Last 1 minute of our day, please. SpongeBob. Ano yung SpongeBob gani? Si SpongeBob.
Thank you sa side by side, Ate Jamilia.
Ika na,
Jamilia,
SpongeBob.
thank you so much.
The water industry.
Sama na. Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Aye, aye. Well, thank you, Jens, for the hand heart. Guys, si Matt, guys, please. Please, guys. Please. Please, Donald Duck. Hindi ko blow na, guys, eh. Sino tingin ng Donald Duck?
Without
Thank you to Joe sa Corgi versus Bahinting. Okay na, guys. Lip sync po, guys. Mr. Bean to, Mr. Bean. Hey there, Teddy. 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 Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Hey, Bimby. 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 Mr. Bean. Hello, Mr. Bean. Hello, Bimby.
yeah, mag-end daw dong. Matulog muna ako.
Sleep, Bimby. Oh, Bimby. Bimby.
Bye, live. Bye, dong.
My word. I saw Bimby. Bimby, bye, Bimby. Bimby. Ciao, Bimby.
Ingat, ingat.
Oh, Bimby. 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 Bimby.